If you are wondering if we have dynamic island on POCO F8 Ultra, then the answer is yes, we have something that is quite similar to dynamic island. This is of course not really the same dynamic island that you can find on iOS devices. It is called Xiaomi HyperIsland, and it is synchronized with some of the system features, like for example with the recorder. If we start recording, we can see that we have this dynamic island. Not only that, it also displays, for example, the change to silent mode or the ringer mode again. For example, when we activate D&D mode, it shows as well, and for other stuff as well. We can easily tap on the island in order to, for example, show the banner of the running app. I'm gonna also open the clock just to see if it's working in here as well. Most likely it will work, for example, with the stopwatch. So let's just start, and there we go. As you can see, we have now 2 apps running, and we can easily switch between these things, or actually we can swipe to the left in order to close it, apparently. So let's get back into it. We can of course swipe down in order to open this floating window mode. Let's actually hide it, and there we go. So we can keep tapping in order to keep switching between them, apparently. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.